And here we are, guys. I just love it. Tell me what you think.
We're finding the strategy for convincing our husband about the cat.
Yes.
Oh, I've got a surprise for you. And I was like, oh my god, what did you do this time?
I just had to tell my cinematographer the YouTube format. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's 38, almost 40 degrees, but we are going to the BVLGARI Summer Party. Trying my best to survive. You see that? That is not my friend. I will forever be an autumn and winter person. Stay hydrated in this weather, guys. Stay hydrated. So we are going to head to see Dina first, catch up, see all the new bags, and then I'm gonna take you to the glorious summer party. And we are here, guys. Hermes moved in right next to BVLGARI. So one day, you know, soon we're gonna head in there. Not today, but I just wanted to show you. This is the new big Hermes store right next here to BVLGARI. So I'm a little bit early again, but I also want to show you all the beautiful new summer bags. Let's go. And here we are, guys. It is so nice and cool in here. I'm so happy that we have aircon. I'm gonna show you all the beautiful new summer bags now. I will show you all the new bags, but first I'm here with Dina.
Hello everyone.
Do you want to tell them what's gonna happen today?
Well, today we are celebrating the Icons craftsmanship, and we will be presenting our watches and looking at the intricacies of what goes inside a BVLGARI watch. We'll look at ladies, calibers and movements, and
super interesting. And later on I'm gonna take you to the summer party.
a little summer party.
Okay guys, here we are. And I just love this beautiful light here, of course. So a little OOTD. This is my dress for the day and for the night, about the event later. Of course I got my beautiful Palini bag with me, and guys, they rearranged the room a little bit. So usually the sofa is behind me, and yeah, I'm gonna show you because I love the floral arrangements. And look at these flowers. Stunning, no? Okay, look at this. This is one of the newest bags, and of course, guys, you have the most gorgeous gemstones set in the center. And we have 24 karat gold plating, because it's BVLGARI, of course. So this is, in my opinion, you know, the nicest clutch for like a summer event. I just love it. Tell me what you think. And in this beautiful light, how gorgeous is this? And guys, the most gorgeous invitations. Look at that. Yeah, look at these beautiful bags, and let me show you the other side. So I am super excited. Okay, look at this. These are the new Raffia Serpenti bags, Serpenti Forever bags, and I have to show you the details. Dina is here with me as well. She has some of the
Special technical information.
Yeah.
Yes. So whereas the industry is using synthetic viscose raffia, BVLGARI is using natural raffia. This is bleached. We have the two original tone and the bleached white one.
Yeah.
And each one of these pieces is embroidered on a leather panel. And a few interesting numbers. This bag has taken 41 hours of artisanal work of embroidery, 200 meters of raffia, which is used to finish the entire bag, and 3,000 individual perforations lasered onto the panel before you can start applying the embroidery.
I assume we have onyx eyes again?
Of course, always as a standard we have enamel, head of the snake with the gemstone.
Stunning.
As you may remember, we started using the color pattern with the America Transit taking over the role of creative director.
Okay guys, so let's look at some of these beautiful bags. I feel like they go really well with my little summer dress today. So this is the smallest Serpenti Forever top handle. And here in the light we can really see the beautiful craftsmanship. Look at the raffia, absolutely incredible. And of course look at the clasp and the beautiful onyx eyes. So this is the smallest size. Let me show you one size up. This is the larger size and look how beautiful it looks. So which one do you prefer? Would you go for the smaller one? Or do you need a little bit more space?
And of course, Romina is wearing the perfect color to showcase this animation.
And this was not planned. Okay guys, so this bag actually had a little update. So the older versions didn't have a flap. They were just open. So they added a little flap to this bag. I mean, that is really nice. Dina is looking for one of the older versions. But yeah, I think I would go for this one. I still don't have this style in my collection. Okay guys, so a little bit more eye candy even, you know, look at these new wicker bags. Bulgari has done wicker bags in previous years, but these are the newest models. Again, the beautiful onyx eyes, look at that. Really stunning. So would you go for a raffia bag or would you prefer a wicker bag? Let me know. And we have the larger size as well. So absolutely beautiful. The eyes here are actually gold. Yeah, can we see that? And once we're done with these beauties, of course I'm gonna try these one on again because look at them. Okay, so let me know. Would you prefer this one? Little wicker bag. Absolutely beautiful. Dina's gonna show us the inside in a moment. You know, would you prefer this little wicker bag or the larger version again? Yeah, let me know which one you prefer.
Yes, look at the beauty of how this clasps is designed. And then of course you have that extra leather strap here, which comes as standard with all our bags.
Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Yes.
Opens up from the side.
And then you close that.
Specific for this bag is that the entire frame that holds the construction is metal.
Yeah.
So you have the metal frame underneath, then the natural material. You've got the metal stud for the feet, and even under them you have a little touch of leather element underneath.
Yeah. Stunning.
Really beautiful. And even the studs here are branded with the Bvlgari.
Okay guys, and she's still here, the Palini, the sister to my bag, guys. So I love her so much, you know. They're siblings basically. And then we have all these bags we had a look at, and ta-da, I just love these. I mean, how can you not? Let me show you in the light. Is it not absolutely gorgeous sea of crystals? Okay, so you guys know me, I would always pick purple. Purple is my favorite color in the world, but the green one is really beautiful too. Again, onyx eyes, stunning. I would pick purple, but let me show you the green. Here we are with the green one. I mean, it's such a stunning piece as well. It just depends on which color you prefer. And of course, you know, I just have to show you the Palini in gold again. And guys, Karung. You guys know I'm the biggest fan of the exotic leather of the Karung skin, because this is the most durable one you can imagine, and it has such a good price. You know, Karung is reasonably priced for an exotic leather, but it is as durable as my lizard piece. So this is such a beautiful soft purple as well. It's like a lilac, right? And you know, if you just want a small leather good, you don't have to go for the Serpenti that we tried on. You can go for the little phone case. How cute is this? I'm a big fan of the phone cases. They come in patent leather, they come in calf skin, they come in the beautiful Karung. You know, this is such a perfect entry-level bag. Okay, and the little heart. You guys know I've been eyeing the red heart for a while. So, you know, I love this shape. I really do. I don't have this in my collection either yet. And another gorgeous karung piece with like an iridescent finish. I was once thinking about adding this bag to my collection as well. But then I found my dream Palini bag. But this was a close call. Okay, so look at these. Let me check if this is still the older model. Yes, it is. See, they didn't have the flap. But the newer one does have a flap. So that is pretty cool. Here we have a beautiful crystal version as well. Love it. And of course, the crown jewel. Look at this piece. This is 21,000 if I remember it right. And look at the sparkles. This is a dream bag. You know, again, another artwork. You can just display her at home. And I mean, look at this. I could stare at this for hours. The hours and hours that must go into creating a piece like this. It's just absolutely incredible. And guys, I'm here with Johnny again. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Are you looking forward to the party later on?
Yes, I am. Look what I'm wearing.
Oh.
I've got a new baby.
Wow, love it. So, by the way, can you convince my husband that it's the best thing in the world to own a cat?
Oh, totally. Definitely cats are the
Because
best.
they know I want a cat, and I cannot believe you actually have a ragdoll and you have a second cat as well. So I think you're the best person to talk to. You have to convince him.
I will try very hard, and I'm usually a good seller. So let's see.
So Dina?
Well, just a couple of extra
Yes.
words. This is the very movement, the caliber which goes inside of the watch that everybody has been talking about and expecting for the last 2 years.
Oh wow.
This is the F100. It's 37 millimeters.
Wow.
It fits on this beautiful piece right here. Okay, so it just it's not just a new a smaller movement. It's a brand new movement, and we rethink everything: the plate, the screws, the bridges. Okay.
Yeah, but we like to see a little watch here and there as well. Especially the Serpenti pieces.
Serpenti Sedutori.
Yeah. Ah,
What's inside?
So if you turn the watch
Beautiful.
back,
Yeah.
you can observe the beautiful movement.
Yes.
It's the beating heart of the watch.
ah. Stunning. Quick look at the bags up here because guys, they have the Fuji, my favorite, my dream bag, maybe one day. I'm still a big fan of this one, even though I don't like silver hardware usually, but this has, I don't know, it has the special something. Sunglasses. So I really love these with the Serpenti. This is like the Viper necklace, you know, just transformed into beautiful, beautiful sunglasses. It's probably my favorite model. If you want a smaller model, you can go for this. Oh guys, and they still have the Miu Miu Dares on display. Wow. Okay, this is black gold for anybody who hasn't seen that vlog yet. This is black gold. Absolutely incredible. This is definitely one of my favorites. Love it. But my absolute favorite is this one with the Palini again. And this comes in a larger size in the black as well. It's lizard, just like my bag. Yeah, this is my favorite. This one has won my heart. And such a classic, you know. The Serpenti hat. Wouldn't say no to this one either. Look at this. Stunning. Okay, I have my little walking over to the restaurant buddy.
We're finding the strategy for convincing our husband about the cat.
Yes, please. That
Let's
is
talk strategy.
that is the goal. So you have a ragdoll and
A ragdoll, and the other one is all black cat. It's so funny. She's super cute.
a
and very
ragdoll
sweet.
or a Persian is my absolute dream.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so
They're both actually the ragdoll we found there. Funnily enough, a friend of ours did, and
Oh.
my partner was connected immediately.
Okay.
So brought her home and called me. Oh, I've got a surprise for you. And I was like, oh my god, what did you do this
I need to
time?"
see a picture of your cats later. later.
Yes, yes, I have quite a few.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, we made it. I hope you can hear me, even though the music is quite loud. I'm gonna show you the beautiful jewels now. Okay, I might have to put voiceover over this because it might be copyrighted music, obviously. Okay, so it is super loud, it's super crowded. I'm gonna get a cocktail now. I have to find Gianni again. We have a photo opportunity there again as well, and lots of little canapes. It's a really big space, but it is super hot already now. Look at the bar, I love it. Okay, I have to find Gianni, and my husband is gonna come as well later. I just had to tell my cinematographer the YouTube format.
Club cinematographer, very bad one.
Looks good. But the heat, guys. Cheers. Okay, guys, I need to go pick up my husband quickly.
It is the hottest day today. I'm just waiting for my husband to join us. The event is taking place in this restaurant. It's a new restaurant. It's a beautiful place.
Let's go.
This is where collections like Serpenti and its symbolism of eternal transformation have thrived.
Who's here with me again? And guys, she has the most beautiful suit. I'm gonna get that suit too. And of course, Loewe is here with me again. Hi. I love your food. It's really good.
You like my ice cream?
Oh, it is hot.
It's hot out here as well.
It is hot out here as well. Yeah guys, that was it. Did you enjoy it?
It was great.
Okay guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, and yeah guys, I see you again very soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at these beautiful roses. See you soon, bye.